in general, your lights, they look very nice. Very different from what we have in the market.
CineD, your digital cinema tech resource, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD, and I'm here with Jonathan from Hobolite. Jonathan, how are you?
I'm fine, Johnny, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much.
That's nice.
And just for the people who don't know Hobolite, can you please introduce who are they and what are you guys doing?
Oh, definitely. So we are we are Hobolite. We make lights, premium lights for photographies and videographers, and we're of course we're based in China, but we make sure that our quality is in par with the price that we set in the market. Also, everything has to be worked in exact detail. So you can see that in every aspect of our design.
So we're going to talk about the range of lights that you have in a second, but what is really catching my eyes, where is this? Not necessarily this, but in general, your lights, they look very nice. Yeah, it's really amazing, the design itself. Who is actually in charge on this type of design? It's very different from what we have in the market.
Well, first of all, our chief designer is also our owner and CEO, Helena. So she would make sure that the design is per detail. So in short, everything has to be made such that it's not only pleasing to the eye, but it's also useful and durable. It's because, I mean, of course, being good looking, it catches your eye, but what really matters is when you're using it, it's useful, it's all the utility is there, not just beauty. So also, one thing is we make sure that we also listen to the problems that the market faces, and we find solutions to solve those problems.
Okay, so we're going to talk about your new product in a second, but just to again expose the brand a little bit, you do lights from like heavy duty, let's call it, to all the way to amateurs. Yeah, so just please to run through from the biggest light you currently have to the smallest.
Okay, from the biggest. So right now we have a 300 watt light called the Pro. That is actually lighting us up right now, or else we'd look too weird. So 300 watts. It's powered by AC, also with 2 batteries, and it has a very nice detachable control panel that you can control the light from around 20 meters maximum, and comes with its own soft boxes, lanterns. And it's using a Bowen's mount. So even if you don't purchase our own accessories, if you already have an existing Bowen's mount,
It's a standard.
just use those, no problem. And the next one, that's for the pros. So the next one is for we call the Avant. It's 100 watts. It's very useful for bigger scale still photography, like maybe you're in wedding shoots. A lot of our customers, they use that. A lot of our customers are wedding photographers, and they would use the Avant. All our products are easy to carry, easy to deploy, easy to pack up. So with the Avant, it's 100 watts, so it also has a full range of useful accessories. And just looking at this is the size of the box for the Avant, and also just two more tubular bags. That's all you need to carry to have a 100 watt kit.
Okay, and then we're coming into something which is obviously a bit smaller. How do you call this one?
This is our Mini. It's one of our best-selling products. It's 20 watts, but it's used in a whole range of. So we have amateurs use it. We've got even wedding photographers use it. So it's very versatile. You can carry it anywhere, and it also has its own range of accessories. And it's a very nice. This is just the size of the bag for most of the things that you'll need for a Mini.
Okay, and then just to show the size comparison, this dude here.
This is our micro. So our micro is 8 watts, but it packs up a lot of lots of power. All of our products are bicolor, by the way. This is 500 lumens, and it has a lot of cool features. It also has a accessory that can adjust the focal length, and also it has a detachable battery. that you can replace because it's small, but you can, if you purchase our creator kit, you're practically getting 3 batteries and you just replace it once you're out of power.
So the kit will come with 3 batteries already.
The creator kit will have 3 batteries in total.
Very interesting. So who is this product for?
The micro is more for maybe for the YouTubers, for the people who like to take self portraits, or if they're taking pictures of toys maybe, or some specific shots that's very near. That'll come in really handy.
So for the type of work that I do in terms of run and gun, the one that I like most is obviously, that's the Mini.
Yes.
Good, that I get it right. And the Mini, because it looks as if it has it all in terms of portability and functionality. But this specific one is already in the market for a bit of time.
Yes.
But now you added a completely new model of the Mini, and this is the one I want to talk.
Yes. This is our MiniX.
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 Okay, MiniX.
X for extreme, because this blue version that we have, it's this one can be used for sub-zero temperatures, so minus 20 degrees or so. It will not affect the runtime. The battery will work as normal. It will not be random, because a lot of lithium-ion batteries, normal lithium-ion batteries, in low temperatures, they will reduce in capacity.
Yeah, that's the issue with batteries. Cold environment, they literally drop in runtime. So here you managed to solve it.
Correct. Also, it's also IP54 rated. So even if you're not in the cold environment, if it's in a rainy setting, you want to make shots, you can also use our MiniX. Not a problem also.
So just that we are on the same page. So there is a built-in battery,
Yes,
which
there's
is
a built-in battery.
not replaceable.
Not replaceable.
And when this battery is running on full power, for how long will it last?
It will last for 48 minutes.
40 minutes. Okay. In case this is not enough, you have another cool accessory, which is kind of a tripod grip with a built-in battery.
Correct.
How do you rate this one?
This is our Light Dock X. So this launched together with this week. If you can check our website, and this one is rated as 37 watt hours, so it will be able to power this for around, you can charge it around 2 times over. So this one, same thing, it's consistent in low temperatures. Water won't, rainwater won't affect its performance. So if you're in a cold environment, these 2 sets will be very convenient for you.
Very interesting. And the accessories are very similar to the other Mini, or very
They're just the same. Yes, the same.
Okay, so if you're running and gunning in cold environment, probably this is the device for you.
Definitely.
Good. Just to show, 1 second, I want to show the differences. It's literally the difference is in color and the performance of the grip itself, because this specific grip is a bit stronger.
Correct. But it has more capacity.
More capacity, but it's not as good in cold environment.
Correct. So if you're just using in normal use, the normal light dock would be more than enough. It has more capacity also.
Let's talk about pricing and availability.
Pricing, you can check our website, www.hobolite.com, and availability, it's available in the US right now. You can check our web store, and yeah, we just our stock just got filled up with these products.
So basically, you can buy either individual lights or kits. That's how you work.
Correct. Normally, we would recommend creator kits, because what happens is if we buy the standard, a lot of our customers, they think, oh, I buy the standard, it's cheaper, but they eventually find out, I need this and that, so then they buy the accessories. Buying the kit would be much cheaper and more complete than buying them individually, definitely. But it's up to the user, of course.
Jonathan, thank you very much for your time. Nice talking to you. Thank you. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.